All right, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the Datto Holding Corporation. So what is the Datto Holding Corporation? Well, according to their website, Datto is the world's leading provider of cloud-based software and technology solutions purpose-built for delivery by managed service providers, MSPs. So if you want to learn everything about the company and their future IPO, stay tuned. What's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Jose. Welcome back to Rico Suave Investing. If you want to learn about the stock market, investing in financial freedom, then you came to the right place. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today, like I said, we're going to look at Datto Holding Corporation. I got a lot of information we got to put out. I'm going to be looking at their IPO information, the price, the date, and all that good stuff. We're also going to watch a whole bunch of videos about their products. So let's get started. A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you like my content and want to see more of it, then please consider supporting me on Patreon. I've got 3 different tiers full of benefits like portfolio updates, private Discord channels, and a one-on-one phone call. You can now also become a channel member by clicking on that join button and signing up to receive cool badges, perks, and more. And if you don't want to do any of that, guys, then just click the like button and subscribe. This is just a small click for you guys, but it helps keep the channel growing and alive by telling YouTube that you guys like my content. All right, now back to the video. All right, so the first thing I feel like I need to cover and go over is what does an MSP actually do? And this is an IT term for you guys that don't know out there about IT. But in the IT world, MSP stands for Managed Service Provider. It's a fairly generic term, so if you're a bit confused about what the MSPs actually does, you're not alone. The basic answer is that MSP manages the IT infrastructure and systems for businesses. However, they can do so in many different ways. And as you're gonna see over here very soon, that's what Datto does. But they do tech support, right? Everybody knows tech support, recovery of files, just in case something wrong goes with your computer or your network or something goes down, they can do the recovery. Security by providing, defense against malware and hackers and stuff like that. Strategic planning for the future. The software grows as your company grows in numbers. And cloud services. So I just wanted to touch up on that real quick before we get started, because today I was going down the rabbit hole that is Datto. And they kept mentioning MSP. And I'm like, oh my goodness, what does MSP stand for? I always forgot. So it's Managed Service Provider. All right, let's continue. All right, so next, as always, we got our IPO scoop. We're gonna scroll down until we can find Datto Holding. Right here it is. The ticker symbol is going to be MSP for, Managed Service Providers, right? Lowered price is going to come in at $24. The highest price is going to come in around $27. And they're going to be IPOing on October 21st, which is next Wednesday. We're going to scroll up a little bit right here and click on the name, and so we can learn more about the company. So general information is our mission is to create enterprise-grade technology for small and medium businesses delivered through our growing global network of managed service providers partners. Our platform enables our 17,000 MSP partners to manage and grow their business, serving the SMB, information technology, or SMB IT market. Our platform also combines mission-critical cloud-based software technologies and security solutions that MSPs sell to SMBs. Now, SMBs is small and medium businesses. So that's just what they do. They are the prepackaged software. They have about 1,600 employees. It was founded in 2007. There's the address, a phone number. According to CRN, Datto IPO is set for $561 million. That's their target, guys. The CEO says, "This is our time. Please know that being a public company will not change Datto's core. We are excited to expand our investor base and champion the MSP ecosystem." Based on the valuation range, Datto's market cap will be somewhere between $3.8 billion and $4.2 billion when the shares are expected to begin trading on October 21st. In the S1, the CEO points out that the company has grown subscribers 19% year over year. According to Seeking Alpha, the IPO terms will include 22 million shares priced at around $24 to $27. Datto's product offerings include mission-critical business continuity and disaster recovery. The company is going to be competing with VMware, IBM, OpenText, and more. Right here, looking at their website, move your IT business forward. We already went through what the company is all about, but you have the ultimate MSP toolbox, guys. Everything you need right here in one place. Cloud continuity for PCs, file protection, SIRIS, software as a service protection, workplace, Alto, and other good stuff. We're gonna go and watch a few videos so you can familiarize yourself with their products. So let's check those out.
Introducing the Datto Advantage, products built for the MSP. There is no limit to what small and medium businesses can achieve with the right technology. Datto has created a one-of-a-kind open ecosystem of managed service provider partners that deliver solutions to 500,000 businesses across 130 countries. From protecting business data and ensuring ongoing connectivity, to having a unified view of your organization with unlimited access to support. Leverage the best in enterprise-level MSP technology to help you deliver more value to your clients and grow your business. Find out more at datto.com.
All right, so that was like a quick overview of the company, but let's check out the YouTube channel real quick. Right here, they have 1.89 thousand subscribers. Here's a cool video that shows Datto built for you. Let's check that one out, and then we're gonna watch a few more, but you can go over here. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. You can check out all their different types of services. I'm just gonna show you a few, and these are short videos, 1 minute, 2 minute video, guys.
You're more than an IT guy. You are your customer's backbone, their protector. Doesn't matter if you're a one-man shop, working out of your apartment, basement, bedroom, whatever, we've all been there. You've got more people on your team than you can count, and you've got more power at your fingertips than you even know what to do with yet, because you've got us. And we're like an accelerator, no, an enabler, whoa, a growth enabler. We believe that there's no limit to what a business can do with the right technology. And when your team grows, because you know it will, and you have to get that office space you've been looking at, you know, the one with the huge windows, we'll grow right along with you, connecting you, backing you up, with marketing tools, sales and technology training, internet that you can access anywhere at any time, all while protecting you and your client's business. And if a client's data ever gets lost, every kilobyte of it, for whatever reason, you'll have 24/7, 365 support to get it all back. No interruption. And inevitably, when you own that whole building and you've got clients everywhere, we'll never stop enabling. We'll help you scale into markets you didn't even think you could reach, innovating with solutions built to help you thrive before you even need them. Solving for tomorrow. Datto. Built for you.
All right, guys, that was pretty cool. You know, look at everything that the company has to offer. And a lot of these businesses, you know, they don't realize they need the backup plans until they need them. You know, some kind of climate weather change or some kind of natural disaster happens, they lose everything. You know, the company can lose the servers, or, you know, the water flood, you know, can damage buildings and things of that nature. Computers could be stolen, damage, and all that. So this is the type of product that is, if you're running a business, it's very critical that you protect your assets. You know, personal assets, computer assets, hardware, software, and of course back everything up to the cloud and protect yourself from threat out there. So just, to me, I think this is a great company. All right, let's meet the CEO, Tim Weller. Well, Tim Weller has served as a CEO since January of 2019. He joined in May 2017 and previously served as president of Chief Operating Officer. So, you know, he came from within the company prior to becoming CEO. Before joining Datto, Weller served as interim Chief Executive Officer, or CEO, and Chief Financial Officer, CFO, of London-based financial technology company Wonga. Have you guys heard of that company? Let me know in the comments below. He also previously served as CFO of two Boston-based public companies, Enernoc and Akamai Technologies. Weller earned his bachelor's degree and master's degree in electrical engineering from Michigan State University and a doctorate in electrical engineer from the University of Illinois. So a very smart guy, an engineer, you know, a doctor. So that's behind this company. So he knows how data and networks and all that work. We're going to look at the S1 over here in a second, but I want to show you how SIRIS work.
Your business is at risk every day. Simple daily backups are no longer enough to ensure your business can keep running in the event of ransomware attacks, natural disasters, equipment failure, and human error. If disaster strikes, how will you ensure that your technology has enough flexibility, redundancy, and resilience to protect your data while remaining simple to set up, use, and recover? Introducing Datto Cirrus, the first all-in-one total data protection solution built to efficiently prevent data loss and minimize downtime. Back up and restore critical business data. Keep your business running during a disaster, locally or from the Datto cloud. Protect against ransomware threats before they impact your business. When disaster strikes your business, there is no time to waste. Waiting on outdated and unreliable technology to restore backups can significantly impact the business. With instant virtualization, your business can restore within seconds from their local device or using Datto's powerful cloud. While a complete image of your system runs through a virtual machine, regular backups continue. And if you lose the entire source machine, SIRIS also provides the option for bare metal restore into new hardware or a virtual destination. Detect ransomware threats before they happen. SIRIS monitors and targets specific patterns of ransomware within a single backup, notifies you, and helps you get back to business without paying ransom. Choosing from a family of physical, virtual, and software appliances, as well as a variety of storage options, you can craft a unique data protection solution tailored to your business. SIRIS supports a wide array of operating systems, including Windows, Macs, and Linux, and protects and restores to both physical machines and virtual environments, giving you the option to restore no matter where your business data lives. Companies can't count on unreliable, outdated backup methods that take too long to restore files and have a high risk of losing data to corruption. SIRIS uses inverse chain technology and advanced backup verification to give you 100% confidence in your backups by validating and protecting your data. With backups scheduled as often as every 5 minutes, your backup is tested, scanned for ransomware, stored locally, and replicated to Datto's globally distributed data centers. With Datto Infinite Cloud Retention, you can store your data for as long as your business requires. Datto gives you the power to protect critical data and keep your business running during a disaster, all in a single solution supported by a world-class 24/7 365 tech support crew. With SIRIS, you can rest easy, knowing your data is protected and your business can run anywhere. Find out more at datto.com/SIRIS.
Wow, amazing, guys. So I'm sold on the technology. I'm probably going to be an investor, but it's all about the numbers, right? So let's check out the S1. Now, I'm going to leave a link to this YouTube channel in the description below if you want to find out more and watch more of the cool videos that they have on here. All right, so let's look at the S1 because it's all about the numbers, right? Us as investors, it's all about the numbers. So right here, you can see that they filed on September 29, right? There's the name of the company, Datto Holding. All right, so here's the capital details on the S1 as of June 30, 2020. We're looking at cash of 59 million, and this is in thousands, guys, okay? We got some total long-term debt of $591 million. Equity, we're gonna keep scrolling down, additional paid in capital, boom, boom, boom. Those are negative numbers. Down here, total capital, we're looking at $1.5 billion. Consolidated financial data. All right, so we're looking at a revenue, and we're gonna go all the way down to the right because that's June 2020. Okay, we're looking at a revenue subscription of $233 million. Now, 90% of the revenue, guys, is coming from subscription model. Okay, so like every month you pay for the service, right? Kind of like Netflix or something like that. Devices, 14 million. Professional services, 1 million. All right, we're gonna keep scrolling down to see their bottom line, okay? And I'll leave this on the screen if you want to take a screenshot, but I'm also going to leave the link to this S1 in the description below if you want to, take your time and go through it. The net income is at a loss, it looks like, of $10 million right here. So not too bad, not too critical. As you can see, if you look at 2018, 19, 20, the previous years, they actually had a lot more losses, 37 million, 31 million, $25 million, and this year only so far they only lost $10 million. So they are improving as far as like their net loss. And I say it in every video, but this is a good reason to go public, right? Raise funds and bring up that bottom line. They have an annual return rate of $507 million, 115% dollar-based net retention, 17,000 MSP partners from around the world, 1,000 plus MSP partners contributing 100K or more, 19% of year-over-year revenue growth. As I mentioned before, 22,000 LTM adjusted EBITDA margin, LTM net income $5 million, and as I mentioned, 2019 the net loss was $31 million, and this year so far only $10 million. So I think this is everything I'm going to share as far as the S1. Like I said, there's lots and lots of information here on the S1, so please feel free to go down in the description and make up your mind. All right, guys, and that's a lot of information about Datto Holdings. I really like the technology, the company, the software. A lot of companies don't realize they need this type of backup and recovery systems until they actually need them. Some kind of natural disaster or something happens, and they find themselves, starting from scratch. And you never want to do that. You always want to protect your assets, okay? So I do like the company. I will be investing on it once it comes out. If you want to follow me on my investing journey, if you want to look at my IPO portfolio, then make sure you go down in the description, sign up for my Patron. If you have any more questions or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. I try to cover as many IPOs as I can on this channel. Of course, I can't cover all of them, and a lot of them that I cover, I do not invest in. So if you want to follow my journey, make sure you go down in the description. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rickosaurus the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I think you'll go your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.